So one is up, one is back, one is
it's red.
good, one is Gucci. Yeah. So I'm giving my sister some slime that I made. So I promised you guys that, oh yeah, there's another effect. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button because today it is her birthday. Yeah, is it Sassie's birthday?
Yeah.
See, I was right, y'all. So I might need a little more silly putty in this and then do another one.
Other one.
So now I'm gonna. So I like the silly putty more better, but that's why I only put a little bit. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a different slime, like a different lotion. That was butter slime, and then now I'm gonna show you how to make no glue, no borax slime.
No glue.
So first, what you will be needing is some silly putty. Some silly putty. So I'm mixing it up. And my mommy has a baby, and if it's a boy, we're gonna name it Memo. Baby Memo. But it's really sticky. But, yeah. So please subscribe, and Memo's gonna be on this channel, and also Musical.ly once I get Musical.ly, because my phone and my computer stop working. I will show you all my computer, so you guys can see me edit and stuff. Like I edit on my computer. I edit these videos like. Every time I say, hold up, I'll be back. Sometimes I have to edit it. So, yeah, like right now. Watch this. I bet you I'm going to edit right. See, so I'm going to edit that part. So it's going to be like, boop. And then it will go like again. So, yeah, I edit with my computer. If you guys want to see me edit with my computer, press the like. So, let's get on to the video. Actually, hold on. If you guys do not believe me, then I will show you. Hold on. This slime's just really sticky. But she said, so I'm going to let that rest. Now I'm going to make another one with more of this. You see me? Oh, I missed it. Don't think wrong, please. Now you're just going to put some hot water in this.
Oh my god.
So I'll be back when I have some, like, hot water. I'm not bringing it in here. I'm just going to show y'all. So come on, guys. Come on with me. Oh. Come on with me. So you guys can see me in the mirror. So let me put some hot water. Hold on. And that's good enough. Then mix. And just... and that fell. Then you might want to add... Hold on here.